Is taking a census to see just how major the homelessness problem is locally.
And News Channel 2's Ben Kinney reports on what officials are hoping to find in those results.
We have to usually turn away about 10 to 15 people a night. The very first night we were open, we hit capacity. We didn't even advertise.
Cornerstone Community Church pastor Mike Ballman is on the front lines of the homelessness crisis in central New York. Also on the front lines, volunteers from the Mohawk Valley Housing and Homeless Coalition, who will be setting out on January 30th to perform a census on the local homeless population. But why January 30th? And why are they doing it in the morning?
What we find is that people that are experiencing street homelessness don't always know where they're going to stay that night, so it's more reliable for us to ask the following morning.
While the annual survey is required by the Department of Housing and Urban Development, the data has many benefits at the local level.
At the local level, it helps us understand how effectively we're addressing homelessness. It also helps us understand who's experiencing homelessness, what characteristics of households are experiencing homelessness, any gaps in services that we may have.
The numbers are staggering. In last year's survey, they counted 369 people experiencing either unsheltered or sheltered homelessness in both Madison and Oneida counties. Of those, 94 were children. A quarter of the 369 total people experiencing homelessness were living on the streets. It represents a 31% increase from 2023 to 2024, and officials say they expect a similar outcome this year.
We expect numbers to be up. When we conducted our count last year, we found that particularly in terms of street homelessness, unsheltered homelessness, that number has really risen dramatically. And we expect that number to continue to climb.
Reporting in Utica, Ben Kinney, News Channel 2.